Are you a YouTuber and you are getting lot of comments on your YouTube videos, but sadly you are unable to reply to all your video comments, because of which your subscribers and viewers are not really happy? Then this video is for you, because today I'll show you how to automatically reply to the comments of your YouTube videos without doing anything manually. Now, to automate this whole process, I just need to build an integration in my YouTube Studio application with Anthropic, which is an amazing AI safety and research company which develops general AI systems. And to integrate these two applications, I will use this Pabbly Connect software, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. But you can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button. And in the free account, you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now, once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as auto reply to new YouTube comments, and now I will select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. So here you can notice we have 4 folders in our software, so the 4 folders are visible. So let me select this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action. And here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. Okay, so whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new comment is received on my YouTube application, then automatically generate a reply of that comment using Anthropic application. So that is why I will select the Anthropic application as an action application, and in this way I have selected both the applications in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect to YouTube with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the comment details, and then I will connect to Pabbly Connect with Anthropic and automatically reply to my comments. Okay, so let us first connect to YouTube with Pabbly Connect. So clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this button, and then it will ask you to provide the access of your YouTube account. Okay, so let me select the same account. Alright, so it is asking for the permission, clicking on continue, and in this way my YouTube application will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can notice, because we are connected, our channel name is also started visible here. And let me show you, yes, I have the same channel name, that is demo channel. Okay, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now it will ask you the maximum results. Okay, so you can read the instructions. The maximum result parameter specifies the maximum number of items that should be returned in the result set. Okay, so let's say I want a result set of 10. Okay, so how about I select the same, that is 10, and here the result means the comments. Okay, and now I'll click on the save and send test request button, and you will see a response will be received, and that response will consist of the most recent comment which has got received on my YouTube channel. All right, what an amazing view, post more. Okay, let me check. Yes, we have a similar comment, that is what an amazing view, post more. Okay, and now I will open my YouTube channel and will post a random comment on any random video, and then I'll show you how the replies can be sent to those comments. Okay, so this is my video. How about I post a comment something like, all right, give me a second, what an amazing video, can you also create a video on WhatsApp automation? All right, so I'm posting this particular comment, clicking on this comment button, and as soon as the comment is posted, now I'll come back and click on this button once again, and you will notice that the most recent comment will start showing here. So here you can notice it is showing the very same comment, that is what an amazing video, can you also create a video on WhatsApp automation? Okay, and along with this comment we also have the date and comment time, we also have the video ID, and we have other details also like the channel name, the date of publish, and lot more. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between YouTube and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone will post a new comment on your YouTube channel, the details of that comment will be received via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Okay, so basically the trigger here is the polling based, which is going to capture the data in every 10 minutes. But don't worry, the process will be automated for sure. Okay, so in this way, the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to generate an automated reply of this particular comment using this Anthropic application. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event. Will we have a single action event only? So let me select the same, that is create completion. Now clicking on connect, and then for the connection it will ask you to provide the API key. Okay, so how you can get this API key? You will have to log into your Anthropic account, and then you will have to visit this hyperlink if you're already logged in. Okay, I have built this connection multiple times, so how about I use the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Anthropic account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Well, you can also use the existing connection. You just need to provide the access at least in the first time, and after that you can also use the same. Okay, so here you can notice it is connected, and now it is asking to select the model, basically which model should be used to generate the replies, to generate the content. So let me select this Claude 2 model, and now it is asking for the prompt. Okay, enter the prompt that needs to be completed. So basically here we need to provide an instruction, provide a command. So assume that we need to create an article, so the instruction, the prompt would be write an article on, and after this hyphen we will provide the title of the article. Okay, and currently according to our use case, my prompt will be generate a reply to YouTube video comment. Okay, and after this hyphen I am going to provide the comment of my YouTube video. And the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy the above text and paste below again and again. I am going to map that comment. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search, let me select the very same comment, that is what an amazing video. Can you also create a video on WhatsApp automation? Okay, and whatever the details you will provide here via mapping from this drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, and whatever the detail we will provide here manually will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually. Okay, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. And now it is asking maximum tokens to sample. Okay, so enter the maximum number of tokens to generate. So let's say you want to generate a reply of at least 10 words. In that case you can provide the token of 10. And temperature, top P, top K, well, you can read the instructions one by one and provide the values accordingly. Okay, so temperature means amount of randomness in the response. Top P means it is going to restrict the token option when the cumulative probability reaches a specified top P value. Okay, and in the same way you can read the instructions and provide the values. Currently I am going to leave all these fields blank because these are not mandatory and it will automatically take a default value. Alright, so how about I click on the save and send test request button directly, and a response will be received, and that response will consist of the reply of my YouTube video comment. And here in the completion you can notice we have this comment, that is here is a sample reply to the YouTube comment. Well, why it is giving us a very small comment reply? Because we have defined the maximum token value as 10. Okay, now I am going to maximize this value and then I'll click on this button once again, and you will notice how immediately I will get a better response. I will get a lengthy response, a decent response. Alright, So once again a response is received, and this time we have the reply as, here is a draft reply to the YouTube comment. Thank you so much for the kind words. I'm so glad you enjoyed the video. If WhatsApp automation video is great suggestion, I'll look into creating one. Okay, so did you notice how Anthropic has generated an automated reply of our comment? And finally I am going to post this reply to the very same comment. For that I'll have to click on this plus icon once again, and now I'll search for the YouTube application once again, and I will even connect it with Pabbly Connect once again. Okay, so this is my application, and this time in the action event I will search for reply a YouTube video comment. Alright, here we have this reply to comment. Now clicking on connect, and this time instead of going with the new connection, I'll go with the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my YouTube account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect once again. And finally it is asking for the reply text and the comment ID. Okay, so I am going to again map the reply text from this drop down, basically from this Anthropic step. Okay, so here we have the reply, and further it is asking for the comment ID, basically on which particular comment this reply should be posted. Okay, so remember we have received the response of our comment from our YouTube step, so I will first search for the comment ID. Okay, so give me a second, let me search for the ID, and this is our comment ID. Let me map the same. Okay, so scrolling down, and again I'll click on this field and let me search for the very same ID, and this is our ID. Okay, so clicking on this button once again, and you will notice that the very same reply will be posted on the same comment. Here you can notice the response is received, which is a positive response. Let me first refresh my YouTube Studio application, fingers crossed, and waiting for the reply to be posted. And here you can notice here is a draft reply to the YouTube comment. Thank you so much for the kind words. I'm so glad you enjoyed the video. A WhatsApp automation video is a great suggestion. I'll look into creating one in the... Okay, so did you notice how the comment has been posted automatically, but we have a problem here? Did you notice this is also posting this first line, that is, here is a draft reply to the YouTube comment. Well, this is for me, this is not for the subscriber, so I think this line should not be posted as a comment, as a reply. Okay, so how about I trim this line? Okay, yes, it is possible. Simply click on this plus icon before your YouTube reply step and search for the text formatter, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can apply different kind of operations within your text. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is text formatter. Alright, so I have selected the same. Now I will select the action event, that is split text. Alright, so it is selected, clicking on connect, and it will be connected immediately. Now you just need to provide the text to be split. Okay, so here I want to split which text, so I want to split my comment, so this is my comment reply, and here in the separator I will add this colon. Yes, I do not want the value before this colon, so I have added the separator as colon, and now it will ask you that what segment you want. Okay, so I want the second segment only, after this colon only. Okay, so clicking on the save and send test request button, and I'm really expecting that it will immediately split my content, and here we have the content, that is, thank you so much for the kind words. I am so glad you enjoyed. A WhatsApp automation video is a great suggestion. I'll look into creating one in the... Okay, so one more problem we have, it is giving me a response that is not completed. Okay, so how about I increase the maximum number of token, and instead of 50 I will keep the value, I will add the value as 60. Alright, clicking on this button once again. Alright, fingers crossed, and let's see what reply they will give us this time. Alright, so the response is received, and here we have the reply, that is, alright, thanks for the idea. This is a complete statement. Scrolling down, and I'll click on this connect button. I'm really sorry, I'll click on the save and send test request button once again, so that I can get the splitted value, splitted content once again. So yes, the response is received. So we have a full comment without any extra sentence, and now finally I am going to map this particular reply. Okay, so let me remove that. Well, here you can notice the power of automation, the power of Pabbly Connect. The same comment has been mapped automatically here. I just need to click on this button, and in this way once again a new comment, a new reply will be posted on my channel. Alright, fingers crossed. Let me refresh this. So here you can notice one more reply is posted, and this time it does not contain any extra content, any extra line. Thank you so much. I'm really glad you enjoyed. And we have this line. I'll look into creating one on that topic soon. Thanks for the idea. Okay. So in this way, you can also automate the reply of your YouTube video comments with the help of Pabbly Connect. So you just need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this 4-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free to the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same 4-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.